Congratulations on starting the Feel Great program. The Feel Great approach is simple: Unimate plus balance plus intermittent fasting. Here's how it works. Start your day with Unimate. Give yourself a boost without breaking your fast. Drink it with a lot of water, 16 to 20 ounces, either hot or cold. Take balance 2 times a day. For most people, this is right before lunch and dinner. Balance helps ease the impact of carbohydrates on your diet and keeps you feeling full for longer. Here's how to use it. Make sure you have a bottle or a cup that has a lid. Fill it with 8 to 10 ounces of cold water. Pour the packet in and shake it up a couple of times. Or use a hand mixer to mix it in a regular cup. Don't stir it or let it sit after you've mixed it. Drink it immediately. And wait 5 to 10 minutes, but no more than 15 minutes. Then have your meal. If you end up forgetting to eat and wait more than 15 minutes, just take another balance with that meal. You've probably heard about intermittent fasting. It's not a new, strange fad. It's actually how our bodies were designed to work. We all fast overnight already, unless you're one of those midnight snackers. This fasting period gives your bodies the opportunity to shift from digestion and burning food for energy to burning stored fat, which looks a little something like this. 16 hours without food, the fasting period, and 8 hours of eating, the feeding window. Feel Great will help you give yourself a boost, prolong your breaks between meals, feel fuller for longer, and give your body the nutrients that it needs. As you begin your Feel Great journey, you may initially experience side effects like bloating, gas, constipation, diarrhea, or nothing at all. This is perfectly normal. Your body just may be getting used to fibers most of us don't get enough of without supplementation. Give your body time to adjust, taking just 1 packet of balance a day instead of 2. If that's still too much, take half of a packet for a week and then a full packet for the next week. This will help your digestive tract build up the good bacteria in your gut to help break down the fiber with fewer unpleasant side effects. Stick to the program for 90 days and you will feel better than you have in years.